All right, we're gonna review this ceiling fan installation I just did today. Hit your power switch, light pops on. Comes with a remote that you can mount on your wall next to your light switch. Leave it there, take it off. And this little light works out pretty great. You can go different hues, all the way up to cool white, down to a warm yellow or orange almost. I kind of like it right in the middle. Then you've got your fan functions, forward and reverse. Gives off a decent amount of air. I definitely would recommend this for a smaller room because we're using this in an office. But the fan doesn't really push the air outward. It's more of like a kind of down. So it works out great in here as the office chair is going to be right underneath that fan. 6 different settings. The highest one is pretty high. It's nice and lightweight, super easy to install, and you can dim it right down to
look at how cute.
Appears to show that music mogul Sean Diddy Cohen's abused then-girlfriend Cassie inside a Los Angeles hotel. It's the latest revelation.
training someone is amazing.